Welcome back to Bearded Barbecue and Adventures, and folks, we have got something exciting today. Where are we going right now, Little Bear?
To get the crawfish.
That's right, we're doing a crawfish boil, so stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. All right, everybody, we've got our crawfish, as you can see. And so right now, we're going through the process of rinsing them off and getting rid of any dead ones. We've probably had, what do you think, Little Bear, maybe 10 to 15 dead ones? Yeah. So we're just going through, just rinsing them off. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna rinse these crawfish until the water's clear. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna come down here where you can see, we got this water pretty clear in here, and there's still some dead ones that we're finding, but that's okay. Oh, it's a real dead one. Go ahead and get it, buddy. Little Bear, what you think? You hungry for some crawfish? Oh yeah, that's my Papa Bear's crawfish buddy right there. All right, guys. We'll see you when we start with the veggies and stuff. I'm going to show you guys where we're at right now. I've got it at a rolling boil. We're just going to wait now until those potatoes are just soft enough to the touch. And then it's time to drop those crawdaddies in there. All right, it's time to dump these puppies in. All right, everybody, they were on for a boil for about 2 minutes. And now it's time to add some mushrooms. Oh, don't they look pretty? Add some mushrooms in there. Put that paddle down in there. Oh yeah, soak those mushrooms good. Let's get them down in there. It's so good. Let's see how they peel. So we got the crawfish here. Sometimes if you cook them too long, they're tough. But this one Come right out of the shell. Crawfish is here, bro. All right, everybody. Well, that does it for another video. So until next time, we'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel.